As you create files for the web, understanding the rules governing their naming is vitally important. If your files are not named correctly, certain pages might become inaccessible or just not work properly. Remember that web pages contain links to other web pages and assets. If file naming isn't handled correctly, your site's functionality can really suffer. Fortunately, the rules for file naming conventions on the web are pretty easy to follow. First, don't use any spaces in your file names. If you have a file that is longer than one word, use an underscore or a hyphen to separate the words. Most web servers will allow file names with spaces, but when the link is resolved, the special character %20 can sometimes be used in place of the space. This is really messy and can lead to a lot of confusion when sending links or displaying URLs. Second, shorten the file name if you can. Rather than about_us.htm, how about just about.htm? Shorter names are easier to remember and makes URLs easier for clients to type. Next, avoid using special characters. No $signs, exclamation points, forward or backslashes, question marks, periods, or really any other special character or punctuation. Many of these symbols are used to denote things like directory structure, URL parameters, or other meanings that you could unwittingly trigger. Numbers are okay to use in file names, just avoid using them as the first character. Also avoid uppercase letters if possible. Most web servers won't care, but some Unix servers are case sensitive and links could not be resolved correctly even if spelled correctly. When using extensions, just be consistent. For non-dynamic websites, it's okay to either use .htm or .html. To avoid having to worry about it, you can set up a default extension in Dreamweaver's preferences, and Dreamweaver will resolve the extension for you. If you stick to these rules when naming your files, you should avoid any errors or problems within your site.